Mastering the art of multitasking. Understanding, wearing all the hats. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have come across: wearing all the hats. This expression is not about fashion, but rather about the roles we play in work and life. So, buckle up as we explore the meaning, origin, and how to use this phrase in your daily conversations. The phrase, wearing all the hats, refers to a person who is handling multiple roles or responsibilities simultaneously. Imagine a hat representing each role. If someone is wearing all the hats, they're juggling all these roles at once. This expression is commonly used in the workplace, especially in small businesses or startups, where employees might have to perform a wide range of tasks beyond their official job titles. While the exact origin of wearing all the hats is hard to pinpoint, the concept is easy to understand when we think of hats as a metaphor for roles or jobs. Historically, hats were often worn as part of a uniform, signifying someone's role or profession. By saying someone is wearing all the hats, we're essentially saying they're doing the work of multiple positions or roles. Let's put wearing all the hats into context with some examples. 1. In a small startup, the CEO often ends up wearing all the hats, from marketing to product development, and even customer service. 2. As a new parent, you might find yourself wearing all the hats, balancing caregiving, work, and household responsibilities. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various scenarios, emphasizing the versatility and demands of multiple roles. When using wearing all the hats, it's important to understand the connotation. It's generally used to express admiration for someone's versatility or to highlight the challenges of managing multiple responsibilities. You can use it to describe your own experience or to acknowledge the hard work of others. For example, running a small business means wearing all the hats, but it's also incredibly rewarding. I have to commend Lisa for wearing all the hats during this project. She's been our star player. Thank you for joining us today to explore the meaning behind wearing all the hats. We hope this video has shed some light on this expressive phrase and how it can be used to describe the multifaceted roles we often find ourselves in. Whether you're managing multiple tasks at work, at home, or in any other aspect of life, remember that wearing all the hats is a sign of your capability and resilience. Stay tuned for more insightful lessons on English expressions, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.